Morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are very happy after the exams. So, shall we start a new lesson? It's very interesting story, children. Actually, here a girl, she's writing a letter to her friend. Okay, so in early days, what we used to do when we never had any phone, or we never cannot contact when a person leaves us and goes to another place, so we used to write a letter. Okay, so even you people would have done. Okay, so when some person is away from you, nowadays we make a phone call and we inquire about them, but in the ancient days we never make any phone call, or we cannot make a call because that time we didn't have such facility to make a phone call. So that time we used to write a letter. So the same way we are going to see a story of a girl who is writing a letter to her friend. Okay, so shall we start, children? So एक पत्र सखी के नाम. So one letter. एक पत्र means one letter. Sakhi means friend. Okay, Sakhi means friend. के नाम means to her friend. Okay, so she is writing a letter to her friend. Next, C28 मलकागंज दिल्ली 20 June or 20 June. This is the year 20. They have mentioned into. Next, Priya Shyamla. Okay, so this is the address of the friend. Okay, so C28 is nothing but the number of the house. Malkaganj. So Malkaganj is nothing but the street name. Okay, or the place name. Next, Delhi. Delhi is nothing but where this person is living. So this is the date when this girl is writing the letter. Okay, so what is her friend name? Shyamla. So Priya means nothing but dear. Okay, so dear Shyamla. Okay, कल मौसी की शादी हो गई. So now she is writing a letter and she is saying that कल मौसी की शादी हो गई. So कल means yesterday. Okay, so हो गई, so they are saying it is हो गई, so it is finished, so it is yesterday, because कल means in Hindi it is today, sorry, yesterday or tomorrow. So for both it is been used as कल only, but it depends upon the sentence where it is ending. So they mention हो गई, so it is yesterday. Okay, if it is tomorrow, so it is होने वाला है, होने वाला है, so it is going to happen, that means tomorrow. So now it is हो गई, so it is yesterday. Next, मौसी. मौसी is nothing but our mother's sister. So हमने खूब मिठाई खाई. So now she is explaining about the marriage of whom? The मौसी. So what she is telling? हमने खूब मिठाई खाई. So हमने means we. What we did? खूब मिठाई खाई means lots of. खूब means lots of. मिठाई means sweets. खाई means ate. So we ate lots of. मिठाई means sweets. बहुत मजे किए. बहुत मजे किए means we enjoyed lot. बहुत means lot. मजे means enjoy. किए means we did. So we enjoyed a lot in the marriage. Next, नाना जी हमें जयपुर घुमाने ले गए. So what she is telling now? Nana ji. Nana ji. Who is Nana ji here? Nana ji is nothing but mother's father. So for them we call it as Nana ji. So Nana ji, what did he do? हमें जयपुर घुमाने ले गए. हमें means we. Where did we go? जयपुर घुमाने ले गए. So he took them to Jaipur. So they all went to see the Jaipur. Next, जयपुर में अधिकतर भवन लाल पत्थरों से बने थे. So now what she is saying? जयपुर में means in जयपुर अधिकतर means maximum. Okay, maximum भवन लाल पत्थरों से बने थे. भवन means a big buildings. So how it was? लाल पत्थरों. So लाल means nothing but रेड पत्थरों से बने थे मीन पत्थर मीन्स नथिंग बट स्टोन. So all the buildings or houses were made with the red stones. So बने थे means it was built. Next, इसलिए इसे गुलाबी नहरी भी कहते हैं. So now what she is saying? She is telling because all the buildings and Bhavan is nothing but a big mahal, okay, where the kings and queens were living. So that is what called as Bhavan. So because of that, this city was called as Gulabi Nagari. Gulabi is nothing but pink city. So Jaipur, you all may have heard that Jaipur is called as Gulabi Nahari. That means pink city. Okay, Nagari means city, Gulabi means pink. Okay, next हम सबसे पहले सिटी पैलेस गए. So first हम सबसे पहले means first we went to city palace. So city palace we went first. Next, city palace जयपुर का landmark है. So now what she is saying? City palace is the landmark of Jaipur. Okay, landmark you all know. Okay, so इसके प्रवेश द्वार पर संगमरमर के 2 नक्काशीदार हाथी खड़े थे. So what do you mean by that? इसके प्रवेश द्वार, इसके means the city palace. So in front of the city palace how it was? Pravesh means entrance, द्वार means the door or the entrance place. Sangmarmar, Sangmarmar means nothing but marble. Okay, Sangmarmar means marble. So marble के 2 नक्काशीदार हाथी खड़े थे. नक्काशीदार means the elephant. Hathi means elephant. Nakashi means it was built. Okay, so the elephant was built or created with what? The marble. Okay, khade hai means it was built and it was standing in the entrance. Okay, next इसमें कई भवन, आंगन, बाग तथा मंदिर हैं. So now what she is saying? इसमें कई भवन. So in that city palace, so in this city palace कई भवन, so many buildings. Angan means the front. Okay, so Angan is nothing but the entrance, the front. बाग तथा मंदिर हैं. बाग means nothing but the park. तथा means and. Mandir means temple. Okay, so what and all was there in the city palace? Bhavan. Bhavan is nothing but the big buildings. Angan means the front place. Okay, so the front of the house will be having, no, that is what called as Angan. Next we had park and mandir. Next, पुराने जमाने के कीमती सामान को यहाँ संभाल कर रखा गया है. So in that city palace what was been kept? पुराने जमाने के कीमती सामान. So पुराने जमाने means the olden days. पुराने means the old, जमाने means days, olden days. What was kept? कीमती सामान. कीमती means nothing but costly. Okay, कीमती means costly. सामान, सामान means things, you all know. को यहाँ संभाल कर रखा गया है. संभाल कर means kept carefully. So संभाल कर means carefully. Okay, रखा गया means kept there. यहाँ means here, where? In city palace. Okay, so in the city palace, the olden days, the important or the costly things were kept very carefully. Next, सिटी पैलेस से कुछ दूर पत्थर की वेधशाला है जिसे जंतर मंतर कहते हैं. So you all have heard जंतर मंतर, right? Yes. Then what is saying now? सिटी पैलेस से कुछ दूर. सिटी पैलेस से कुछ दूर means from city palace little bit far. kuch dur means little bit far. That's what is there? Vedashala. So Vedashala is nothing but observatory. Observatory is nothing but it is mainly used for scientific purpose, which is called as Jantar Mantar. Okay. नेक्स्ट, इसमें समय को मापने, ग्रहण का पता लगाने तथा तारों को देखने के उपकरण शामिल है. सो नाउ दे आर एक्सप्लेनिंग. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय वेदशाला? इट्स बीन एक्सप्लेन हियर. सो व्हाट फॉर इट इज यूज्ड? इसमें समय को मापने, समय को दे आर मेजरिंग द टाइम. मापने मीन्स मेजरिंग, समय मीन्स टाइम. नेक्स्ट, ग्रहण का पता लगाने. ग्रहण का पता लगाने इज नथिंग बट द एक्लिप्स. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? वी ऑल नो लूनर एक्लिप्स, solar eclipse, all those only is called as grahan. So to identify when does it happens, then tata means and, तारों को देखने के उपकरण. तारों means we know stars. को देखने means to see the stars. The instruments are available. So उपकरण, शामिल means included, instruments. Understand? So we so what is in the Vedshala? Do you understand? Yes, समय को मापने means time measurement, then identifying the eclipse happening, then to see the stars. Those instruments are being present in this Vedshala. Understand children? फिर नाना जी हमें हवा महल घुमाने ले गए. So next, where did they go? फिर means next. नाना जी हमें हवा महल घुमाने ले गए. So he took them to हवा महल. So हवा महल is also one of the place or tourist place we can say. यह 5 मंजिला इमारत है. So that means यह means this which one? हवा महल. 5 मंजिला means 5 storied. 5 storied इमारत means building. Okay. Next, इसमें 1000 छोटी खिड़कियां हैं. 1000 छोटी खिड़कियां मीन्स 1000. 1000 मीन्स यू ऑल नो 1000. छोटी मीन्स स्मॉल. खिड़कियां मीन्स विंडोज. सो व्हाट डज द हवा महल हैज? इट हैज 1000 स्मॉल विंडोज. नेक्स्ट, इसे इस प्रकार से बनाया गया है कि अंदर से बाहर का दृश्य देखा जा सकता है. So now what they are saying about this हवा महल? इसे इस प्रकार से बनाया गया है. इसे means which one? The हवा महल. How it is been made? बनाया means it is been made. So इस प्रकार से it is been made in such a type कि अंदर से बाहर का दृश्य देखा जा सकता है. So what they are saying, it is been made in such a way that अंदर से बाहर, from inside, outside can be seen. दृश्य means all the scenery or whatever is happening outside can be seen from inside. Understand? लेकिन बाहर से अंदर का दृश्य दिखाई नहीं देता. So now what they are saying, we can see from inside what is happening outside, but लेकिन means but from outside, बाहर से from outside अंदर का दृश्य दिखाई नहीं देता. So whatever is happening inside cannot be seen from outside. इसका डिज़ाइन जालीदार है. जालीदार is nothing but the how it will be like mosquito net, no? In the same way it is like a net only. जालीदार is nothing but it is kind of a net. इसीलिए गर्मियों में भी ठंडी हवा. So that means what they are saying, because the windows are net type in the गर्मियों means what? Summer season. In the summer season also ठंडी हवा means cold air. हवा means air. इस महल में आती है. So in the summer season also the cold air comes inside and the हवा महल is very cold. Understand children? Till here, hope you all understood. If any doubt is there, children, please ask your doubt. Okay, so we end up, we'll see in the next class. Thank you, children.